There is a significant difference between a king and a man. A man who is operating in his kingship, he don't try to be controlling over his queen, because one thing he know about his queen, the same way as she know, she's a god like he's a god. And what do a god look like? Controlling another god, telling them what they should do, what they shouldn't do, all this. No, we don't do that. She's a god. We respect her knowledge. We honor her. We uplift her, we encourage her, and we talk about decision making and plans, but we don't control anyone. Everyone is free to move and roam as they please, but they respect one another, and the respect calls them to honor and appreciate and to love, not control. But a man would try to manipulate you and control you because he don't understand. He feel like he needs to have all the power. He needs to know what you're doing all the time. He needs to be able to dictate what you do. If I give you this amount of money to help you, then you need to do this and that. See, that's not a partnership. That's a man and a woman. That's not a king and a queen. See, a king and a queen gonna sit at the table. Both of them gonna have crowns on. Both of them gonna be feeding one another. But no one's controlling no one. No one's telling no one, you need to dress like this. You need to do this. You need to do that. You need to do this, because he know she's a god. And whatever she decides to do, he respects it and he got her back. But a man can't do that. A man can't do that because a man lives in the skin. So if it's not making the skin feel right, or it's rubbing his ego, he don't know how to respond.